catalytic converter. Totally clogged up. Gone. I had noticed it rattling, particularly at an idle. You know, I had a lot of loss of power going up hills, but yeah, boy, this is something I'm really glad it's replaced. I've got my new. This is a new Y pipe. This is where we're at so far. Yeah, this heat shield right here, as you can see, it broke right here. I'm gonna have to fix that. But this heat shield along the catalytic converter most definitely gets in the way. These two up here particularly, it gets in the way. I'm gonna see if I can angle the camera here to show what's going on, but there's 2 bolts up in here that this heat shield gets in the way of. You can't get up in there. Other 6 bolts are not a big problem, but those top two bolts, I got another broken one on this heat shield right here. So I can tell you, this heat shield right here is important as far as keeping heat off this plastic and fiberglass up in here. So be careful with it. Put it back on probably the way they intended it to go on. Yeah, these are little 10mm screws right here. There's 4 on the side, 1 in the back, 1 in the front up there, and then 2 on the other side, and then you also have 1 on top up here. It's very difficult to get to, and then 1 in the center on the front. But the heat shroud has to come off in order to get it the top 2 bolts on the front. Pretty good, but you know, this is where we're at so far. Got gaskets for both flanges. Y pipe went in really nicely, so